Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add multiple cameras in OBS Studio. It's pretty easy. All you need to do, simply click on the plus icon under sources and you're gonna see a lot of options, but we need to click on video capture device. You can name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name it cam1. Click on OK. Right here in the device drop down, you're gonna see all of your cameras connected to your device. So just choose the one you would like to add. I'm gonna go with Lenovo FHD webcam. Click on OK and you're gonna see your first camera. If you wanna crop it, just hold down the Alt key and just by using the side points you'll able to crop your webcam like this. Okay, and you can just place it wherever you like, just like this. In order to add another one, click on the plus icon again, select video capture device, and again you can name it whatever you like. I'm gonna name it cam2. Click on OK. This time I'm gonna select OBS virtual camera. Click on OK, and again by following the same process you can resize it, crop it, and just place it wherever you like. And again you can just, as I said, basically repeat the same process to add as many cameras you want in OBS Studio. Click on the plus icon, video capture device, name it whatever you like, and just click on OK. Again I'm gonna select OBS virtual camera because I haven't connected multiple cameras in my device. Click on OK. Again you can resize and place it wherever you want. So it is that easy to add multiple cameras in OBS Studio. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.